All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Escape. It is the SE all-wheel drive model. Beautiful black with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, fog lights, panoramic sunroof, 11,000 miles in this vehicle. Best of all, minimal damage around the body is an all-wheel drive as well. Front bumper looks good, front hood looks good, your front fender looks pretty nice. It's your front driver's rim, very nice NLC curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. This bad boy, which is over 730 seconds, double checking it. That's right, it looks like to be right around 10-30 seconds. This door looks good, this rear door looks good, and this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice NLC curbing here. Your tire thread, over 730 seconds, looks like it to be a 9. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. That's, of course, your panoramic sunroof. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Find the keys. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Owner's manuals, I believe, is still wrapped up in its package. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. It has heated seats. Boom. Forgot to mention that. Dual climate controls. Got your backup camera. Pow. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 11,546. Pretty much completes the tour. All right. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. So of course, your rear passenger seat, what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips, does have an armrest with cup holders. I did forget to show your panoramic roof. Boom, very nice. There's a picture of it as well. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your deck lid looks good, or your lift gate, whatever you want to call it, looks good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right back there. All right, manual closing door. This rear quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice NLC curbing here. Your tire thread, over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It does have running AC vents. This door looks okay. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks okay. Let's see. Thought there was like a couple of little, like a ding or so here. Yeah, there's like a couple of little dings, I guess, from doors opening and getting on here. So I'd say there'll be about 3 or 4 dents there. No paint on them. They are there. This fender looks good. This quarter. And the rest of the door looks pretty good. Is your rear passenger, your front passenger steel wheel does have some curbing. 6 by 6 inches. Tire thread, over 730 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working, car is on, things are fantastic. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive model with 11,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.